Shiba Inu just made crypto history, and it could be the catalyst for a 589% rally. The Shib community has officially entered a new era as Satoshi Kusama launches the first ever elections for president of Shiba Inu's $7 billion network state, giving holders direct power in the project's future. At the same time, a brand new burn mechanism has been revealed that could drastically reduce supply. All while Shib's topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of Shiba is doing. Please keep in mind, these prices might have changed by the time you watch this video. This content is not financial advice. Now let's get into today's video. Satoshi Kusama calls Shib elections for $7 billion network state president. Shiba Inu's DAO elections have officially launched right now as Satoshi Kusama announces the selection process for an interim network president. The token-weighted voting system actually allows Shib holders to participate in this historic transition toward complete decentralization of the $7 billion ecosystem. Shiba Inu DAO elections, interim network president, governance, and vote structure. The Shib state decentralization elections mark a pivotal moment for the ecosystem's governance structure. At the time of writing, this represents one of the most significant moves in crypto governance. Satoshi Kusama had this to say: Shib has always been designed for full decentralization. As we move into the 5th Shib year, it's time to launch a vital aspect to achieve this goal: elections. Token-weighted voting process. Token-weighted voting. Shiba Inu holders can now access through the official elections platform at blog.shib.io/elections. The Hound's Constitution Governance Vote establishes the framework for selecting leadership positions within the DAO structure, and this system is being implemented to ensure fair representation. Community leader Lucy stated, "Satoshi just dropped the bombshell, and I'm looking forward to seeing how it plays out. I'm not into politics, but I'm glad to see Shib entering its next phase." She also emphasized, "No matter who steps up, I just hope it's driven by good faith and the best interest of real token holders." Along with this, Lucy mentioned, "I'm not going anywhere. Still here, still speaking up, still defending and promoting Shib assets." Presidential Selection Framework. The interim network president Shiba Inu elections operate under what Kusama describes as blockchain-based governance. The selection process was explained in detail, and it's actually quite comprehensive. History rarely has moments like this: the true birth of a network state massive as Shib. Due to its unique and decentralized nature, Shib has a chance to flourish into something the world has never seen, or become something new altogether. Kusama further detailed the transition process. "No matter what stands as the future for Shib, we are happy to move forward with the process of finding tomorrow's leaders. This will be an event like the transition of power in any state, our first and therefore delicate yet powerful in design. A new lead visionary and councils for each DAO will need to be chosen." The Shiba Inu DAO elections represent an unprecedented move toward community governance in cryptocurrency, with the token-weighted voting mechanism ensuring fair representation for all Shib holders participating in this democratic process right now. If you are still watching, it would be massively appreciated if you could go ahead and smash the like button. It costs nothing and really helps support the channel. But keep watching to find out the latest Shiba Inu updates and what the future could hold for the Shiba Inu coin. Brand new way to burn Shib. Revealed by Shib team official marketing lead of the Shiba Inu team, known under the pseudonym Lucy, has addressed the community on several issues in one X thread. Among them was a claim that Shib has now overtaken Dogecoin as people's coin, about the reluctance of developers to build on shibarium, and a new way of burning Shiba Inu coins. New way to burn Shib coins. In the X thread, Lucy mentioned that a lot of projects have been talking about building something on Shiba Inu and shibarium, but so far there is almost nothing made specifically for Shib. The reason for this, she stresses, is that building new products costs money. Lucy admitted that unlike with other blockchains, there is no specific Shibi treasury to fund any new development. Therefore, any product for Shib has to generate its own revenue before it can actually be built. The Shib marketing lead also shared what she believes to be the only realistic approach in creating something on a blockchain, and that is a clear vision and solid execution. One of the ways to earn Shib, per her tweet, is to play the games developed by the Shib team. They allow earning Shiba Inu. Another positive outcome of playing them is that this helps to burn Shib coins. Shibarium burns Shib with every transaction, and you can use Shib to play and win in those games. Is Shib overtaking Dogecoin as people's coin? Lucy also claimed that Shib was, is, and always will be the people's coin. Long before that, tech entrepreneur and the world's richest man, Elon Musk, gave a similar definition to Dogecoin when stating that it was superior to Bitcoin in terms of being better designed for payments. Musk referred to Doge as the people's currency. Currently, Doge, which was launched in 2013 and became the first ever meme coin created, occupies the 8th spot on CoinMarketCap with a market capitalization of $35.4 billion. As for Shiba Inu, it has recently gone down to the 22nd spot on the same scale, having a market capitalization of $7.9 billion. Now it's time for the main story of today's video. Shiba Inu on the cusp. Can Shib unlock a 589% surge? Shiba Inu has returned to a price area that has repeatedly served as a foundation for upward movements since early 2022. Market analysts are closely monitoring this zone, noting that Shib's ability to maintain support here could determine whether it embarks on a significant rally over the coming months. According to market analyst Crypto Nuclear, the price range between 1,090 units and 1,190 units is a critical demand area. This zone has been tested multiple times over the past 3 years and has consistently absorbed selling pressure. The analyst notes that the current retest could be decisive for Shib's trajectory in 2025. As of report time, Shib is trading near 1,328 units, reflecting a 4.64% increase in the past 24 hours and a 7.77% gain over the past month. If buying momentum strengthens and the price remains above 1,190 units, the next resistance levels are projected at 1,580 units, 1,940 units, 2,400 units, and 3,338 units. For the longer term, Crypto Nuclear has identified 7,870 units and 8,836 units as major upside targets. Achieving these levels would represent gains of approximately 514% to 589% from current prices and would place Shib near historical highs. However, the analyst stresses that such targets would require sustained demand and broader market support. Risk factors and downside scenarios. While the current structure suggests potential for a bullish breakout, analysts also caution about the possibility of a downward move. A decisive drop below 1,090 units could indicate weakness in the current trend, potentially leading to declines toward 900 units, 700 units, or even 550 units. Crypto Nuclear also points out that the current pattern shows similarities to a Wyckoff-style spring, a setup that can precede a strong rally but is not guaranteed. This pattern involves a temporary break below support followed by a sharp recovery, but if the recovery fails, the risk of extended losses increases. Additional analyst perspectives. Other analysts share varying levels of optimism. Javon Marks has identified a bullish divergence on Shib's 2-day chart, projecting a potential move to 32,000 units, about 156% higher than the confirmation level near 1,250 units. This price was last reached in March 2024. Jonathan Carter observes that Shib is consolidating between 1,050 units and 1,250 units, a range that has historically attracted strong buying interest. He describes this phase as accumulation, suggesting that holding above this zone could lead to a sustained upward move. Carter lists resistance points at 1,400 units, 1,750 units, 2,050 units, and 2,500 units. Separately, Jake Gagin projects that Shib could reach 7,636 units if its market capitalization climbs to $45 billion, representing a 516% rise from current levels and a 660% gain from June's low of 1,004 units. Similarly, Hunter's company maintains a bullish stance, citing Shib's resilience at key support levels. The consensus among analysts is that Shib's position in this demand zone will be crucial in determining its next major price movement. A strong defensive support could open the path to multi-100% gains, while a breakdown may result in extended weakness.
Many of our subscribers comment that they are not going to sell Shib for the next 5 years and hold millions of them because they believe in the Shiba Inu developers and the real
Shiba Inu is on fire today. Price just bounced back. The community is hyped. Analysts are dropping their signals. A lot of investors are suddenly millionaires. However, an unknown whale just shocked everyone. Around 85 billion Shiba Inu left Coinbase. Coinbase CEO steps in and drops a massive bombshell. And Satoshi Kusama made all of this make sense. What is happening? And what on earth am I even talking about? Well, let me explain. Disclaimer. Shiba Inu just shook things up again, making the entire community sit on the edge of their seats. After a slight correction yesterday, it didn't take long for Shiba Inu to bounce back, and today, it looks like it's found a more stable price point. It wasn't a massive jaw-dropping pump, but it was enough to bring back that excitement, the kind that had been missing for a while. And just like that, the whole vibe has shifted. People are feeling bullish again, and the negativity? Practically gone. The skeptics who were doubting every move? They've gone quiet. Instead, the community is buzzing with energy, happy to see Shiba Inu holding strong and actually doing well for a change. It's been a roller coaster, no doubt, but moments like these remind everyone why they stuck around in the first place. And here's the crazy part. This doesn't seem like just a random pump. Analysts are pointing out that Shiba Inu has hit a major resistance level, which could mean this move has real momentum behind it. After a week of struggling, the price is finally showing signs of a potential reversal, and the energy in the community is shifting fast. But there's still some pressure weighing on Shiba Inu. A bearish formation that traders call the death cross has been lingering, and it's one of those patterns that usually makes investors cautious. However, despite that, the recent price movement has been going against expectations, hinting that the market sentiment might be turning more positive. Now, the big test is right ahead. Shiba Inu is approaching a key price level that traders use to measure short-term momentum. If the price pushes through this point, it could confirm the trend shift and open the door for more gains. On the other hand, if it struggles here, there's a chance sellers might step in, adding some resistance. Another thing fueling the excitement is the trading volume. It's jumped up significantly, which usually means the market is heating up. Sometimes that kind of surge signals a pullback is coming, but other times, it's the start of something bigger. Either way, traders are watching closely because this moment could decide whether Shiba Inu keeps climbing or faces another wave of selling pressure. But here's the thing. Despite all the excitement and momentum, breaking out in a big way might not be so easy for Shiba Inu. One analyst pointed out a major obstacle that's keeping the token from truly taking off, and it all comes down to sheer volume. Right now, around 91 trillion Shiba Inu tokens are sitting in a specific price range, and they're worth well over $1 billion. That's a staggering amount, and unfortunately, many of the holders in this range are currently at a loss. This creates what's known as a sell wall, where people are more likely to offload their tokens the moment the price moves up, putting constant pressure on any attempt to break out. For Shiba Inu to push past this barrier, buyers need to come in with enough strength to match the volume of tokens waiting to be sold. If that happens, then breaking through this level should be no problem. But that's easier said than done, because it doesn't just depend on Shiba Inu alone. The broader crypto market plays a huge role, and if conditions aren't just right, this resistance could keep holding the token back. So while things are looking better, this massive wall of 91 trillion tokens is something the community needs to watch closely. If enough demand builds up, there's still a chance for a breakout, but for now, it's a tough battle between buyers and sellers at this key level. But wait, despite this challenge, hitting that major resistance level is still a huge deal. And here's where it gets even more interesting. An analysis making the rounds online today just revealed how many people have now become Shiba Inu millionaires at this price. Right now, anyone holding at least 62 billion Shiba Inu tokens officially has a portfolio worth 7 figures. According to analysts, nearly 1,600 wallets currently hold somewhere between 6 figures and $1 million in Shiba Inu, with their combined holdings adding up to a staggering hundreds of millions of dollars. Then there's the next tier, wallets holding between $1 and $10 million worth of Shiba Inu. This group includes around 900 addresses, and together, they control a jaw-dropping several billion dollars in the token. And at the very top, there are just 75 elite wallets holding more than $10 million worth of Shiba Inu. Despite their smaller numbers, their total holdings surpass 10 figures, making them some of the most influential players in the ecosystem. Interestingly, just a couple of weeks ago, there were even more wallets in these millionaire categories. The number of addresses with portfolios above 1 million was slightly higher back then, which suggests that some big holders have either taken profits or reshuffled their positions. This just goes to show how much movement is happening behind the scenes. Even with resistance levels holding things back, the sheer number of Shiba Inu millionaires growing at this price is a strong sign that people are still betting big on the token's future. Speaking of massive amounts, something else surfaced today that sent shockwaves through the Shiba Inu community. A mysterious whale just pulled a staggering amount of Shiba Inu from Coinbase. Unusual transfer activity has been happening again with the popular meme coin, And this time, it was spotted on one of the biggest crypto exchanges in the US. In the last few hours, a fresh wallet, one that's never been used before, suddenly withdrew an eye-watering 85 billion Shiba Inu tokens, worth well over $1 million. This was picked up by on-chain analysts, and as soon as the transfer went through, the recipient wallet instantly became one of the top addresses in terms of inflows for the day. Naturally, this has sparked a lot of speculation. Some believe this could be a whale quietly accumulating Shiba Inu, possibly preparing for a big move. Others think it might be part of a larger pattern of strategic liquidity shifts. Whatever the case, this kind of activity doesn't usually happen without a reason. Now here's the exciting part. What if these whale movements are actually bullish for Shiba Inu and hinting that something big is coming? One analyst even pointed out that altcoins, including Shiba Inu, are starting to show patterns similar to what happened during the wild bull run of 2021. A Twitter analyst shared a post saying that altcoins seem to be moving just like they did in the first few months of 2021. And if this trend keeps up, a major breakout could be right around the corner. That's got people seriously paying attention because back then, the market went absolutely crazy, and altcoins saw some of their biggest gains ever. The 2021 bull run for Shiba Inu was absolutely insane. It went from just another meme coin to one of the biggest breakout stories in crypto, with prices skyrocketing beyond anyone's wildest expectations. People made life-changing money overnight, and Shiba Inu became a household name. Now imagine that happening again. But this time, Shiba Inu has a way bigger community, more real-world use, and way more eyes on it. If altcoins really are following the same pattern as 2021, and Shiba Inu catches that wave, things could get crazy fast. Fear of missing out would kick in, more buyers would flood in, and we could see some serious moves. Of course, nothing's guaranteed, but with whales already making big plays, it sure feels like something is brewing. If history repeats itself, the next few weeks could be a wild ride. And this might just be the tip of the iceberg because Coinbase's CEO just dropped an absolute bombshell. He believes that in just 5 years, 10% of the entire global economy will be running on crypto. During Coinbase's earnings call, Brian Armstrong talked about how blockchain is going to completely change the way the world works. He's not just talking about a small shift. He's saying that by 2030, trillions of dollars could be flowing through crypto, powering industries, businesses, and everyday transactions. And here's where it gets even crazier. Shiba Inu isn't just growing. It's aiming to be a global powerhouse in the next 5 years. Satoshi Kusama, the lead developer, just shared how the team isn't thinking small. He said Shiba Inu is evolving fast, and they're pushing for real-world adoption like never before. And they're not just talking. They just teamed up with the UAE's Ministry of Energy and Infrastructure to bring Shiba Inu's tech into government projects. Yeah, you read that right. A meme coin working with an actual government. But that's just the beginning. Kusama made it clear that in 5 years, they want powered by Shiba Inu everywhere, whether it's in businesses, industries, or even more government partnerships. With everything considered, if the Coinbase CEO's prediction turns out to be right, and crypto takes over 10% of the global economy in 5 years, then Shiba Inu is set to be in the perfect spot to take full advantage of it. Why? Because unlike most meme coins, Shiba Inu has built an insane ecosystem that's already expanding into real-world use cases, partnerships, and Web3 adoption. By that time, Shiba Inu could be everywhere. Shibarium fully scaled, massive adoption, big-name collaborations, and real-world utility. This isn't just about being a meme coin anymore. It's about being a full-on blockchain ecosystem that could play a major role in this crypto-powered future. And if the world really shifts toward crypto like Coinbase's CEO predicts, then Shiba Inu will already be ahead of the game, grabbing attention from both everyday users and big investors. Now, here's where things get wild. If all of this lines up, we could be looking at the biggest bull run ever. The kind of run that makes 2021 look like a warm-up. Think about it. Mainstream adoption, massive investor interest, and trillions flowing into crypto. If Shiba Inu catches that wave, we're not just talking about small gains. We're talking about the kind of returns that could turn early believers into legends. Nobody can say exactly how high it could go. But if history repeats itself, or even goes bigger, then holding Shiba Inu today could be like getting in on Bitcoin or Ethereum before they exploded. The next 5 years could be absolutely life-changing for Shiba Inu holders. And those who see the bigger picture now might just be the ones laughing all the way to the bank. But what is your opinion on this? Comment down below. If you are curious to find more, then make sure to click on one of the videos you see on the screen. And with that, we come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed the video, then turn on the notifications bell on this channel. Missing an important Shiba Inu update might make you lose money, so don't risk it. Also, please share this video with as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.